Catching every fish in New Jersey, Part 1. The Crappie. Oh yeah. To catch these guys, I'm going to be fishing in an underwater tree where they like to hide. These crappie are lazy as hell, so they let the food come to them. So for bait today, I'm going to be using a gold minnow and hop it until I get a bite. You guys can catch crappie using jigs, crankbaits, and rooster tails. Thanks for watching. Comment what I should catch next.